Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel, Trash to Teach.
In today's HTML tutorial for beginners, we're going to learn about HTML lists. What is an HTML list? In HTML, a list is a way to group related items together. There are three main types of lists: unordered list for bullet points, ordered list for numbered items, description list for definitions or pairs. Let's start with an unordered list. These are used when the order of items doesn't matter, like a grocery list or checklist. We use the UL tag to define an unordered list, and each item is inside an LI tag. By default, browsers show these with round bullet points. You can change the bullet style using CSS, disk, circle, square, or none. Next, the ordered list is perfect when the sequence matters, like instructions, rankings, or steps. Use OL for an ordered list. The browser will automatically number the items. There's also a description list, perfect for things like glossaries, FAQs, or term definition pairs. DL is for the whole description list, is the term, and DD is the description. You can also nest lists, meaning one list inside another. Just put a new UL or OL inside a LI item. You can use CSS to style your lists, remove bullets, list style type, none. Add spacing, margin, padding, change bullet color with marker in modern CSS. And that's the full breakdown of HTML lists: ordered, unordered, description, and nested. Hope this helped you.